Good evening. Welcome. So, if you're joining me here, comment hello so I can see you if you're watching. If you're watching live, comment hi. If you're watching the replay, comment hashtag replay. And you can, and I'll, if you post questions, I'll answer them at the end and I'll just answer them all together. And then if you're watching the replay, you can still post questions and I will answer them also at the end. So first thing is I have a question for you. So I want you to think, imagine, you're visiting um, this, you've a website that instantly catches your eye with its stunning visuals. The graphics, it's got these amazing graphics, the caption, the everything is just, it's just amazing. So now I want you to picture this, picture those, how amazing it is. How awesome would that be if it would transform, how would that transform your business website if that same thing applied to yours? So I want you to think about that. And if you want to comment, you can put it in the comments, but I want you to think about that as we go through this. So welcome to this week's Tech Talk Tuesday. And so today I'm going to be showing you, as you can see up on the screen, I've got the back end of WordPress. And so I'm just going to be showing you some, small things here and there that you could do to help you with, uploading and optimizing the images to creating captivating videos, and also uploading your videos and adding them also. So let's start. So the first thing I'm going to show you is uploading media. So here, this is, like I said, this is the back end of WordPress. And so just a quick overview. You've got the sidebar here. And so we're on the main dashboard of the back end. And this is where you'll find, like, there'll be numbers there. If there was updates that needed to be checked, you would click here to update. You've got posts here. And so the posts would be there. And then you've got the media, and those. So this is where I'll show this. We'll be coming back to this again, but this is where your media. So the pictures that you upload, the videos that you upload, the things that you upload that you add to your website are housed here. You've got, so this is your media library. So here's the pages. So here's the pages to where, you'll have your home page, your about me page, your contact page, all the pages that you add to your website that are meant for your future clients to see. This is where you'll find those pages. And then you've got appearance. And so this is the themes that are available to use. And so right now, this is the one, it's staying active. So this is the theme that's being used right now for this one. And then right here, you can click add new and you can search over, there's so many available to view. And so you can search through the different, themes that are available for free to use through WordPress. And so this, you can customize the theme, you add widgets, the menu bar, to set up a shop. So say you're selling this theme comes with a shop. So if you're selling something, you can set up a shop here. And even this one, it gives you recommended plugins to use with the shop. Support, free versus pro. It kind of gives you, it also gives a demo of this plugin. And so that's kind of some helpful information. So that's very good. Okay, so let me just make sure. I want to make sure that it's shown. So that's great. So that's great. So that's great. So that's great. Okay. So it's showing up through there on the Facebook page. So I just wanted to make sure. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing that I want to share, um, so access to your WordPress dashboard. So that's where we're at. We're accessing the dashboard. And so I kind of just went over a quick view of some of the items on the side dashboard there. So we're going to go to the media section, which I kind of showed quickly before, but this is what we're going to look at. So I've got a few things that I added here because this is just like a demo site that I use to show things. And so we're going to navigate to, so we navigated to the media section. And so then we're going to click uploading. So we've got a few here. So say if you want to add, some new graphics here. So you've got this right at the top here. You're going to click on the add new. And then you've got two options that you can use. You can click select file, in which it'll open up the file section of your um, on your computer that you have. And so then you can upload um, the file. So you can upload a file that you want to use. So I'm just going to open up this real quick. And so then that, or you can drag and drop it. And that's also an option. So say you, let me see if I have it hidden. And so then you can just drag and drop a file to there too. So that's an option. Okay, so then I'm going to show you. So that's adding a file. You can drag or drop or select a file to upload, and then optimizing load times by uploading appropriately sized. So you just want to make sure, so also when you're uploading it, so I'm going to click on this one here, and it kind of tells you the size here. So you want to just pay attention to the sizes that you use, the images that you're uploading. And so you just want to check and make sure. I'm just trying to make. Okay. So then you can just, yeah, so just make sure you check the sizes because you want to make sure that it's not too huge and too big. So to affect the load speed of your website. So you want to make it sure keep it in range of the load speed of your website. So those are some things to think about. Okay, so the next thing we're going to go talk about is optimizing the images. So so the thing is to like resize. So say you need to resize an image on your website to make it a different size. I suggest Canva or Adobe Spark. So those are some things to think about. You can compress images using plugins like um, Smush that'll help with compressing. That'll help with also website speed. So if you can compress the images, that'll help with the website speed. So that's something to think about. You can add a plugin for that. So those are some things to think about. And then also another thing to think about too, as far as removing, images, if you're not using them, you haven't used them, you don't plan on using them, or if it's, an old image, remove it from the files, from the media where you have it stored, remove them. so so integrating, so then I'm going to show you how to, so say you want to add it into like a page. So let's start with, we're going to add a new page here. And so it just kind of lets you know what the different options you have of creating and working through the back end. And so right here, so I'm going to type in home page. So here's the home page we have. And I'm just going to add some quick copy. So say you want to, so we've got the heading right there. And so then you want to add a paragraph. So just got some It's some copy there. And so say then you want to add an image within it. So right there, or you want to add it above it, like right there on the home page. So you can click on, and it's the same. So you can either upload it or you can click on the media library, which is you can either load from the computer. Maybe you don't have it in your media library. It takes you to the media library. So you can just click there and then you can just um, add it there. And then you can click on it and you can change the size by dragging it. And then also you can crop it. You can add a caption if you want caption. You can add text over it. Of course, you would have to adjust the color, but you can add a text on the image if you want to add a text on the image. And then you've got this here. And so say you want to add a video. And so adding videos, and so you don't see it here, but you can either type in there to search for video. And so here's the video. You can add video. You can even add it from YouTube. So I'm going to click YouTube, and then you can YouTube. And I'm just going to grab a quick link from YouTube real quick. So say you have a bunch of videos on YouTube that you want to share. You want to share on your website. So you can just so I'm grabbing a link, and so you can just you would just copy the URL and you can enter it here. And so there it is, and it'll upload it. And then you can also video, Venmo. If you have Vimeo, you can add it that way, or you can just upload it. Say you have it in your, if you have it in your media library, you can add it that way. So select it there, and then you can also, I'll do that again. Add video, and if you don't have it in your media library, you can click on upload, and you can pull it from your computer. And so yeah, right there. And so then you can just open it that way and add it that way to the website, to your site. And then you can add, adding caption and things like that. And so there's just some of the ways that, adding the media to your, to your products. And then you can also, can create galleries. So say you have, you want to show off your, you're an artist, you have artwork that you want to display. They've got a gallery option here. And so you can upload, um, a number of, I'm just going to upload these right here. And so you can upload a number of to display like a gallery type, website to showcase your artwork that you have. And then you can resize it to, to the site, the size that you want it to fit on your gallery. And you can add a heading. And so that's just one way. And then you can make it, make your own page of it, have a gallery, and you can have different galleries if you have a section of different themes that you want to add. So those are just some of the options there that you can do for that. And so the next, we're going to leave here, and we're going to go back to the media. And I just wanted to show something real quick. So say you have something that's yours that you've created, especially like if you have a video. I'm going to click on the video. You want to add like the caption, like the so like when it's searched, so it can be picked up. So if you add um, to enhance it, it's going to help it with SEO. You can add, to add with the to help with SEO. So you can add integrate relevant keywords and file names and alt text to boost search engine visibility. So if you add that alt text, so you want to just check it. So like this. So say this is, maybe it's something of your artwork. You want to put in what it's called, and you'll just put in the name. I'm just going to put so alt text, so it'll come up. And so when if they're searching art or they're searching something, you know, relevant to what you do, say they're searching virtual assistant or thing, you could put that there to showcase it. So maybe it's your logo. You could put the name of your business there to showcase that. So those are just some of the things to think about when and so some of the things that to creating your, you know, website. Um, yeah, so those are just some of the quick things um, to, when you're uploading media to think about, some quick tips. And so this will be saved in the guide section also. All the trainings are saved in the guide section. If you ever want to go back, you want to watch the replays, they're available in the guide section for you to catch and watch. And so with this here, you know, to make it appealing. So think about those other websites that you've seen that they create this appealing. So think about those tools. And so adding these tools in there, it's going to help you a little bit more into when you're uploading media to think about it. Think about the size, think about what you're uploading and how it's going to help. And also think about the alt text and adding that in to, especially something that if it's yours that you've created, adding that in there to be able to help with that SEO, to give that extra boost to the SEO of your website. And so if you're needing help with this, you're not sure if the videos you have uploaded or the images that you have uploaded on your website are correct, or what the issue is with your website, I would love to help you with that and offering up a website audit. Um, And so today I'm offering up a special treat until Friday. You can book a website audit with me for free. So just comment below audit in the comments, and even if you're watching the replay, and I will reach out to you for that audit. And so you have until Friday to reach out to me for that. And so I would love to help you to just give you an overview of your website. Just if you need something, you're not sure how your website's doing or what you could do better, or if anything needs to be fixed, comment audit, and I will perform that audit for you. And what you'll get is you'll get a video recording of my walkthrough of your website, and then also a checklist of things, and I'll just give you some tips and advice of what you can do to help with your website. So I will see you next week.